Everyone, my name is Robert Bosch. I'm a QA engineer and plus 6 years of experience in the tech industry. And today I wanted to show you DeepSeek, which is basically a company which produced a new update, which is V3 R1, which is really promised to be rivaling. As you can see, this is the score that compared it with the previous model and with some other model, and outperform all of them. Um, and I want just to give you a very short panoramic of it, how to give just an analysis, a very subjective analysis of how it works, how it performs overall, compared to ChatGPT, which I have a plus a subscription for it. I will just focus on DeepSeek for now. So let's click into it. So as you can see, the interface is very similar to ChatGPT in a sense that you can perform a search. You can activate the DeepSeek model and deactivate. You can attach a file, docs or images, maximum 50 to 100 megabyte each, which is great. Um, so one thing that I currently notice is that I don't see the functionality of the project here. There is in ChatGPT and in Claude. I don't see the possibility to create images and the Canva and artifact, which I see in ChatGPT. Well, but this is not all to that they define the which model is best. But it is definitely something to keep in mind that can be an add-on useful. This probably I'm sure they soon will catch up with that. So let's see if it appears in some other shape or form. Let's create to do. Yeah, let's give a simple instruction and let's give the R1 plus model into it. Let's see what happens. One thing that very interesting that I think is even better than ChatGPT is that you can see the thinking happening in real time here, which is great. You can see the response you get, where it's based from, from which thought, and I can see the code. I see immediately the possibility to run HTML. Let's see if that allow me to see the code. Yes, it does. This is impressive. It is allowing me to see the functionality, to see how it works. Let's see. Let's see. Let's write some simple stuff. It works flawlessly. You can select. It works fantastic. No mistakes. Really impressive. Basically, it doesn't have the canvas or the artifact, but it shows you the result in the browser, which is anyway something remarkable. Also, it's very interesting to see that you have the possibility to use DeepSeek in mobile, getting the app. And very simply, you can also perform a search. Let's see how this works. Let's try to think both the thinking and search on what are the best VST or music production in 2025. Let's see what happened. Okay, so you see both search and thinking happening. I believe that this model is limited in amount of messages. As you know, one you have 50 messages per week, which, to be honest, is too little for a prolonged use. Instead, this I believe that you can use in a limited amount. See, the psych- okay, the API does not constrain the rate limit. I believe that there is no limit. Also, in DeepSeek, you can ask as many questions as you wish, which is anyway better than the one model in that sense. And you can see that being a music producer as hobby, I can tell you that definitely realized I can agree with the Serum. Vital is a free version. Yes, I agree. Pigment 4 and Diva. Totally agree with everything. It's also interesting. Some toys, I don't know, some toys. something that I should look up. I believe there exists contact 8 properly. Yes, I did hear not mention. But the response was amazing, and I agree with all everything related to the rest. Okay, it made a mistake. Contact 8, it doesn't exist, but it's okay. It's a very recent update. It's not a chat. It's a very recent update. Okay, let's see how it works with the screenshot. I'm trying to paste the screenshot just like that. It doesn't do it. I believe it doesn't. I wonder why. Simply, it doesn't work with search, which is totally understandable. And you can see what you see in the image just to evaluate how works the image analysis. It seems it works well. Already looking at the thought process. Sounds good to me. Fantastic. Uh, I don't have currently a file to add here, but it allows you to add files, create a new chart. And this API cost apparently is 27 times cheaper than O1. So at this moment, if I would basically seriously be thinking of using DeepSeek rather than O1, especially for the API usage, and to use DeepSeek and O1, I personally feel that O1, when I gave coding task, it was slightly better in some context. That context I noticed DeepSeek was better. I noticed DeepSeek is a bit more concise, but you can basically give instruction to ChatGPT to do the same. Well, totally a competitor, which is open source. So I really believe that OpenAI and other LLMs competitors will need to catch up. Also, also in terms of pricing, because once DeepSeek is free to use and you have a model to use it not in a limited way, cost 200 per month. I believe that you have to definitely review and better cost efficiency on that. That's it for today. I wanted just to show you a bit panoramic of DeepSeek, the new model, B3 R1, version 3 R1. I hope that was interesting to you. If you did, please consider subscribe to the channel and comment, like the video to help the algorithm to show it to other people. And see you in the next video.